2018 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car. Reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, moonroof, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, power windows, compass, rear window defroster, security system, heated front seat, trip computer, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, tachometer, brake assist, overhead console, power driver's seat. Come take a test drive today.